Yay! Where's my baby? Where's my baby bird? There's my baby. You ready to step out? You want to step out? Listen, dear. Here's my Sasquatch. Keep your balance, my little man. My little boy. I love my Sasquatch. Yes, I do. I adore that Sasquatch.
I'm gonna write the thing. Then let's have like subs.
Hi, Sasquatch. My little Sasquatch, I love you. I love you, Sasquatch. Yeah, I'm thinking about buying pens at some point.
I'll get another one.
Sasquatch, do you want to? Oh no, we don't want a nut. We want to be petted. That's what we want. We need this. We get desperate for this sometimes, huh, Sasquatch, my love? This is what Sasquatch needs. Little Sasquatch, my baby.
Okay. Alright, bye again. It's time for a...
No, come back. We don't mind. Hey. Oh, okay. This is all we want, huh? Love Sasquatch. If he doesn't get adopted, I have a feeling that loud little shrieks and all, he's coming to me. All right, Sasquatch? You're just so smart, too. He's a smart little one. I'm going to pet your back. Ooh, I love to pet your back. Yes, I do. Because I love you so much, Sasquatch. Love you, baby. Love Sasquatch. Such a beautiful bird. Where did this pretty bird come from? Where did this little special thing came from, huh? Where did it come from?